welcome to Paper Benders, the channel where we teach you guys how to fold some pretty cool origami creations. Today I have my sister here, and what are you gonna teach us what to fold today?
I'm gonna teach you how to make this origami dog.
It looks pretty cool. Okay, if you're ready, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's get right into this.
Okay, first you're gonna fold the corner down to here. And you're gonna crease it with. Then you're gonna fold this down to make the ear. And you're gonna fold the other side down to make the other ear. Then you're gonna take this part of the paper and fold it up. Then fold the triangle up top down. Then you can flip it over and fold a little bit of this up. Then it'll be a dog. Now if you want, you can draw whatever face you want. I'm drawing my own. Now you have your dog.
Okay, great job, little sis. This is a really cool origami dog. Thank you for watching this Paper Benders video. Make sure to please like and subscribe below. And if you have any other ideas that I can do with my siblings, make sure you have it in the comments. Again, thank you so much for watching and have a great day.